Yo, T-Raz. Natalie, yeah. Why me today? I ain't got plans, don't need delay. I was on my way to where I'm going, don't mean to be late. Pardon me, I'm sorry. I didn't complain too much. Oh. After you done so much, it really could be worse. I ain't got that roof over me head. Can me got that place, me can rest me head. Thank you, Father, for the one piece of bread, for the one piece of cheese and the one half of egg. With a love lamb chops and drumlets. Put something nice when they end. Put the fancy clothes on the weekend. Truth is, I'm still blessed. I got so much to be grateful for, so much to be grateful for. I praise you forevermore, and I praise you forevermore. At the end of the day, I'm still blessed. At the end of the day, still blessed. At the end of the day, still blessed. No matter what come my way, this simple is inconvenient. I feel frustrated whenever things don't go my way. I'm impatient, but you say I got it. I need to trust your time and perfect. You know what's best for me. Your purpose is more important than my happiness. Alright, try to solve me one problem, but you see beginning to end things I can't comprehend. I wanna to know what it doesn't make sense. You decide when, you decide when. Until then, now wait for what you promise. If I'm being honest, I cannot complain like you be. I got so much to be grateful for, so much to be grateful for. I praise you forevermore, and I praise you forevermore. At the end of the day, I'm still blessed. At the end of the day, still blessed. At the end of the day, still blessed. No matter what come my way, still blessed. Say from your nose say you're blessed, put your hand in the air and declare. From your nose I hope I've been good to you, shout it out and confess. From the top of your lungs, once your heart still a beating on your chest. Cannot finish with you yet. You still have life, you still have hope, you still live.